Component of food, class 6th, chapter 2, question D and E. Question D. Give reasons for each of the following. The first is patients unable to take in food orally are given glucose. The patients who can't eat food from mouth, they are given glucose. Why? Answer is glucose. This is a simple carbohydrate and immediately provides energy to the patients who cannot eat food orally. That's why glucose drip is given to patient. Children, that we have already studied glucose, this is a carbohydrate which is formed in our body when the starch or complex carbohydrates are digested. So glucose, this is directly given to the patient who cannot eat food orally so that they can get energy. Now the second question is water soluble vitamins should be taken regularly. Why we have to take water soluble vitamins regularly? Children, in the chapter we have studied two types of vitamins, water soluble and fat soluble. Fat soluble vitamins, they stored in our body in the fat tissues. Water soluble vitamins, they cannot be stored in our body. So these vitamins have to be taken every day because they cannot be stored in our body. So we have to take these vitamins every day. Now question number 3. Rough face does not provide any nutrition. Yes children, we have to include rough face in our diet in spite they don't give us any nutrition. Rough face does not provide any nutrient as it is not digested in our body. But we have to include it in our diet as they prevent us from constipation. They help in the bowel movement and prevent constipation. So we have to include rough face, but nutrient terms, in terms of nutrient, they don't give us any nutrient as they are not digested in our body. Now question number 4. Pregnant women need more proteins. Why pregnant women need more proteins? Children, pregnant women need more proteins as proteins help in building new cells and tissues in the body, as proteins are body building food. Proteins help in building new cells and the tissues in the body. So pregnant women as well as growing children need more protein. Now question 5. Fruits and vegetables should be washed before cutting and peeling. Answer is fruits and vegetables should be washed before cutting and peeling to remove the dirt and the germs from them. They should not be washed after cutting or peeling as it removes the nutrient. Water soluble vitamins, minerals which are present in the fruits and vegetables. After cutting, if we wash them, so they get lost. So we have to cut them after washing. Now question E. Answer these questions in one word or a sentence. First one is when iodine was added to an unknown food sample, the color changed to blue-black. Which nutrient is present in the food sample? Children, we have done starch test in the laboratory also. And when iodine is added to the foodstuff and its color changes to blue-black, then it indicates the presence of carbohydrate, or we can say starch. Starch is also a carbohydrate. Now the second question is name a protective food item. Children, name protective food items. These are vitamins and minerals. For this answer, you can write any vegetables or fruit. I have written green leafy vegetables as a source of protective food item. Even you can write apple. Apple also the correct answer. Cucumber, that is also the correct answer. You can write any fruit and vegetables which give us vitamins and minerals. Now, the next question is, what is the importance of roughage in the diet? Roughage, that is the dietary fiber. It helps in the removal of undigested food from the body and prevent constipation. Dietary fiber or roughage don't give us any nutrient, but they are important because they help to prevent us from constipation. They help in the bowel movement. They clean our alimentary canal. Question number 4. Define a balanced diet. You have to tell the definitions. What do you mean by balanced diet? Now, its answer is the diet that contains all the necessary nutrients in right proportion which are needed for us to stay healthy and fit is called balanced diet, or we can say a diet which contains all the necessary nutrient in the required amount which is needed for us to keep ourselves healthy and fit. This is called the balanced diet. Children, you have to learn this. Now question number 5. Why should we exercise regularly? Or we can say, what is the importance of exercise in our body in the daily routine? So we should exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and strong. Exercise keep us fit and strong, improve our concentrations and confidence. So we have to take exercise regularly.